How to fix Facebook dating not showing up on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Facebook dating visible and accessible on your account. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the profile at the bottom right and three lines at the top left of the screen. From there, scroll through the menu and look for dating. Let me show you. If you can see it, tap on it to open it to open it. At this point, if dating isn't showing up in your menu, the first thing to check is whether Facebook dating is available in your country. It's not available in all regions, so make sure it's supported where you are. In the next step, if it is available in your region, open the Play Store and search for Facebook. From there, tap on Update if one is available, and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Facebook and check if dating is now showing up in your menu. From here, if it's still not showing up, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Facebook and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Then reopen Facebook and check if dating is now visible in the menu. Here's an important note. Facebook dating requires your profile to be set up with your real name, age, and a valid profile picture. If any of these are missing or incomplete, dating may not show up on your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Facebook dating not showing up, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.